Okay, now I'll show you how to design a Facebook cover image using Canva. So with Canva, you can find a number of different templates for social media. And obviously you will need different sizes for your Twitter cover, Facebook cover, LinkedIn cover, and so on. So the easiest way to find the right one, let's search for Facebook cover. And we can choose from the available designs or create our own. So this is really, really nice. So I like this cover. I'll select it. And in the new tab, I can customize it. So change the color slightly, change the text and so on. So let's change the color to a different green. It's like this kind of slightly darker green, so it matches the green on our website. And let's change the text as well. For example, shop for yoga clothing. I'll change the font slightly as well. For example, I'll change it to collective and make the font slightly smaller. So click here. And let's change to 35. You can do it manually and press enter. Okay, so it's easier to read. It's smaller. It's easier to read. You can also change the alignment of the text, so it's in the middle or to the left or to the middle. So I like the middle alignment. And you can change the text as well. So I added organic fair trade fitness gear and also changed the alignment to middle. Okay, now this is middle. This is middle. Perfect. And if you're happy with it, simply click download.